as SVH College of Engineering, Machilipatnam.
Myself, Sonagmaya.
I am Jyotka Suma.
Ramya. Krishna Gundala. Aisha.
Agri Priya.
Yoshita. Ishwari.
Ranalma. Studying BTech first year.
In Sri Venkateswara Hindu College, Machilipatnam.
This college is one of the oldest self-financed institutions. Today I feel very glad to inform you that our college has conducted CRT program.
Campus recruitment training program have been conducted by our college management, which was led by IT Curve Company Private Limited.
I was really glad and proud of my college management staff for conducting CRT program.
So friends, today I would like to express my views about the campus recruitment program, that is CRT program.
These are the most memorable days in my life.
Today we have reached to the last day of our class. The main objective of this program is to train all the students in order to face interview in their career.
Till now, we just don't know how to communicate with others and how to stand professional. By attending that program, I have learned many things which include personality development, body language, positive attitude, goal setting, etc. I improved a lot.
CRT program included topics like stage fear, jam, body language, communication skills, presentation skills, voice, and so on.
I am very proud to say that I am a student of Mr. Saranyaram sir. I have improved my communication skills and I have attained self-confidence.
The main aspect which has inspired me a lot was stage fear. I am the best example to you. I stand before you and I can speak very confidently. Before this program I used to feel very nervous and cannot speak very confidently.
And it was very good mixture of theoretical and practical training which was given by Mr. Saranyaram sir.
Earlier, I used to feel hesitate to speak on the stage, but after taking guidance under Saranyaram sir, I have improved a lot of things. I have found many changes in my lifestyle. They give many realistic examples regarding our lifestyle.
They motivated us and made us capable to do such works which we didn't even expect.
I personally saw many of my friends and batchmates improve their communication skills and personality development attitude after attending this program. With the confidence given by Saranyaram sir, definitely I can crack any job in any MNC.
Today I am standing before you without any stage fear because of this CRT program.
They don't focus on theory, but they focus more on practical knowledge, teaching student imagination where a student can develop himself practically.
I truly say that I am the live example. Today, I speak before you so fearlessly with a full confidence just because of these CRT program classes. I feel that I am so blessed to have joined this type of college where I get trained in every aspect.
Before, I had a lot of stage fear and my self-confidence was also very low. But now, after taking guidance and just Saranyaram sir, I motivated myself a lot. I learned to fight with my fear and have removed all my barriers regarding creativity.
The motivation classes which are very realistic by Saranyaram sir are very useful to me, which are useful to perform my skills in any situations in the interview.
He comes to the level of a student and that's why every student likes him and loves him. Saranyaram sir, he can make a wonders. He can make a stone to a diamond. I learned many things in these sessions and I am the output of these sessions.
After this CRT session, I personally changed my body language, attitude and discipline.
But I am very confident now. I can talk confidently anywhere, anytime.
Generally when we see many classes, teacher will talk more and students will listen to them. But the specialty of Saranyaram sir class is he talks less and makes students to talk more.
I'm so happy because up to my intermediate I'm afraid to talk on the stage, but now I get confidence to talk on the stage before anyone.
After listening to Saranyaram sir classes, I have came to know the importance of my parents. Most importantly, I have set a goal for my future.
Today I am talking very confidently in front of the camera. It is all because of Saranyaram sir's motivational class. Thank you so much sir. If the same kind of these programs conducted in every engineering college, definitely the students' confidence will go high.
Thankful to you, Saranyaram sir, to enhance my confidence level with your enormous knowledge and your teaching style.
And I got more and more confident by the guidance and teaching of Saranyaram sir.
In the 1 week span of these classes helped me to build my confidence levels.
I can implement all these tips in my interview. Saranyaram sir, you are genius. We can never forget you, sir. And you are our hero. And we can never forget you. We'll be looking forward for your next coming classes. We'll be waiting for you, sir.
I request my management to conduct the same program for my seniors, second years, third years and fourth years.
Thanks for bringing lots of confidence and thanks for everything.
So my special thanks to Saranyaram sir.
We are waiting for your next classes.
Thank you, Saranyaram sir, for supporting me and guiding me for a bright future.
Thank you so much Saranyaram sir for bringing so much of confidence into me.
Thank you, Saranyaram sir. We miss you a lot, Saranyaram sir. I miss you.
Miss you so much sir.
Please come back.
cannot forget Saranyaram sir till the end of my life. Thank you so much, sir.
In these 6 days, I got attached to your classes, but I get tears from my eyes when I hear that I'm going to miss your classes. We love you so much, sir, and we miss you. Please stop the camera and get